Title: Mewsy and the Moonlight Lesson. Once in a quiet village lived a curious girl named Alina and her clever cat, Mewsy. Mewsy wasn't an ordinary cat. She had shimmering gray fur and eyes that sparkled like stars. Alina found her one rainy evening, cold and trembling near a bakery, and took her home. Since then, they'd been inseparable. Alina loved reading, but she often ignored her chores and studies. "Books are better than dishes," she'd laugh. Mewsy, however, always watched wisely from the windowsill. One evening, Alina heard a strange meow outside. Mewsy had disappeared. Frantic, she searched everywhere. Finally, she spotted Mewsy at the edge of the forest, sitting beside an old woman with silver hair. "Why did you follow her, Mewsy?" Alina cried. The woman smiled gently. "Your cat brought you here for a reason, child. She wants you to learn something." Confused, Alina listened. The woman pointed to the sky. "See the moon? It shines brightly, but only because it reflects the sun's light. Just like the moon, we shine by reflecting what we learn, through kindness, responsibility, and balance." Alina's heart sank. She realized she had been soaking up knowledge, but not using it wisely. She hugged Mewsy tightly. "Thank you," she whispered. From that day, Alina changed. She still read, but also helped her family, studied with focus, and even taught younger kids in the village. Mewsy stayed by her side, purring with pride. Morale: true wisdom isn't just in learning, it's in living what you learn.